What's up, guys? It's your boy, Your Future Boss. You already know. Follow me on Twitter at Yourfutrboss. YOURFUTRBOSS. Don't forget, hit me on that IG. Click the subscribe at the bottom of this. I need your help. I need to get up, guys. You already know how YouTube's doing these days. We need your help as much as possible. Today we got an unboxing of the brand new, well actually it's not really that new, it's been out for a little bit, the Fire Cube by Amazon. This is something I've been looking at for a while, but you already know we had Prime Day, so I had to get something, and this is something that I actually will be able to use. So right now in my living room, I do have a Sonos speaker that has an Amazon Alexa associated with it, but this is going to be able to use my TV, my video games. Literally, you talk to this thing and it changes the channel, so it does everything that pretty much I need in the living room. So that's why I upgraded to this. It also shows 4K content, and you also do have the Ultra HD with the high dynamic range. So as you can see, all the apps, just like any other Fire Stick, we're gonna have the availability to use all the different streaming apps there are. So this is gonna be really cool. And I use I have Echoes all over my house. They're probably listening to me now that I've said the word. Sorry for you guys that, I'm gonna try not to say that word a lot, because I know in videos people do that a lot. Anyway, let's get into this thing. So, let's take this out. Oh, there's one on the bottom too. All right. Take it out of this sleeve here. You already know what that is. Let me see here. Where else do we open this thing? Oh, we got one here. Now maybe it'll open. All right. Bam. First view. A little shiny, but y'all see it. So pretty much, if you guys have any type of Echoes or any type of Echo Show or any type of Echo Dot, you know what this top looks like. So it looks exactly like it. So pretty much, this is a Fire Stick and an Amazon Echo Dot all in one. So let's take it out. Let's see what else is in here. All right, so Amazon gives us power brick, power adapter, Amazon logo. Amazon's really good at putting their name on everything, which is cool with me because their stuff's pretty good actually. Second, we have an IR extender. So this is if you have your let's say your cable box and all your stuff is tucked away somewhere, and now the remote won't be able to get to it because it's in a cabinet or something like that. You have this, and so this can just hang out, this little box will show, and you'll be able to change channels and whatever, do what you want to do with it without having the whole box out in the open. We also have this. So what this is, if you want, you can connect directly into your Ethernet port. So you can use this, connect Ethernet, because the box doesn't have it directly on it, which is kind of funny why they didn't just add this into it, but hey, you have the option. They gave it to us for free. So this uses micro USB, and there's also another micro USB if you want to connect something else into it also. So that's also there for you. After that, we have a Fire TV Club guide, I guess, how to use it, how to set it up. But I mean, like I said, I have many Amazon Echo things in my house. I'm sure they all set up pretty much the same way. So we're not going to use this. We have the remote, Alexa voice remote. Nothing different. Literally, it looks just like the one for the 4K Amazon Fire Stick. So I already know how this works. And thank you, Amazon, very much for being nice to us. They always throw in the batteries. So we have two AAA batteries here from Amazon. Amazon logos on them also. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. That's it for what's in the box. Let me see, there's nothing under here. Nope, that's it for the box. and let's go back into this thing. So as I said with this thing, let me see, let's open it up. Slide that out. Very nice. It has a shiny gloss. I mean, you're not going to be touching this thing a lot, so it's okay. It does have a shiny surface on it, so fingerprint magnet, yes. But it does have this little plastic that's stuck on there right now. So I could take that off, which I will, because I don't want it to get too hot or whatever like that. This actually tells you a good placement to place it. So definitely cool. Let me see. We have the mute button. Obviously volume up, volume down. This button is it's like a menu button pretty much. So you press this when you're trying to set it up and all that. After that, literally, I never touch these buttons ever because we can talk to it. So that's exactly what we're looking for, is to talk to it. So that's what we're going to be able to do. So, oh yeah, this thing is shiny. If y'all can see that, it's super shiny. In the back of it, we have HDMI. Let me face it to you guys. HDMI port, we have the power port, we have the infrared sensor port is right here, and we also have a micro USB so that you can connect this one to it, and then you also have one in the back of this so that, you know what I mean, you can still have access to one if you need. This is really cool. I'm gonna set it up in the living room, and if you guys wanna see more on this thing, if you guys have questions on this, please leave comments. Let me know what you think about the video. Don't forget, like, subscribe. I need your help, guys. Let's get these counts up. Let's get the subscriber count up. Until next time, guys, it was your boy, your future boss. Peace.